Good morning, everybody. Out in the woods with the Edgar cat. Want to see something funny? Look at that. Isn't that interesting? I think it's kind of neat looking. And then there's a little gnome house. The river's up quite a bit and very muddy, and it's going to get a lot higher because we have a large amount of rain coming. So everything that I'm walking across here, it's all going to be flooded. This will all be underwater, including the area of my enchanted woods. And we'll see. Every spring. What do you think, buddy? I know, pal. You're a good boy, aren't you? He's a maniac. There he is. Whoop. Oh. There you go. That's my boy. Have a good day, everybody.